Okay, today we're going to take a look at a pretty basic Zippo that just arrived. Now this one came in a extra protective sleeve, and it says it's the Illusion Flame. It also says the same thing on the back, Illusion Flame, and of course it's a genuine Zippo made in USA in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the box. Got that made in USA in it. Now here is the Illusion Flame. It's not a basic street chrome body, and this one looks like it was made in, looks like C of this year, March of this year. So it's relatively new. That is the Illusion Flame. Good sound. Lights up nice. Steel insert. It's plain, but it's really nice. Let's do a drop test on this thing. A lit drop test. Well, that one bounced pretty good. Let's try another drop test. Okay, the drop test for the Illusion Flame worked pretty good. It's just your basic Zippo with a pretty nice pattern. That is a patented flame pattern. It belongs to Zippo. Not bad for an Illusion. And this Zippo was made in the USA and definitely rates a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.